Hello, we will talk about using PHPMyAdmin to create user account for MySQL. If you install MySQL as part of XAMPP, it doesn't come with MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench is a popular tool to allow you to do database administration. The alternative is to use PHPMyAdmin, and you can follow the step below. The first step is to open XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL. Here is the XAMPP control panel, and you can see that you can click to start Apache, and then you can also click to start MySQL, and they are now in the color green. Next, you will need to use a browser and go to localhost, and then follow the step to create new user. So we go here, localhost. They will contact the MySQL, the local MySQL server using PHP. And in the right upper corner, there's PHPMyAdmin. You click on that, and it will ask you the password. And once you log on to the PHPMyAdmin, then you can browse and use the user account to see what the current account are, and you can also use the add user account to create a new account. You will be shown a page which is not unlike many registration page you see in the web, and you can type in your username, your host name, and password. And then you can also specify the privilege of the account that you're going to create. So for example, you can click to assign all privilege to the new account. Once you have finished providing all this information, then you can go to create your account. And I'm not going to show it here. Now, one question that people may ask is that why do we have so many accounts for the same username? There's a column host name, and then you can see that root, for example, has 3 different host names, and root is a built-in account that comes with the MySQL package. The reason is that there are many host names allow you to connect to the MySQL server using different hosts. Percentage is a wildcard characters that match any IP addresses. And 127.0.0.1 is a standard loopback for IP. What it means is that whenever you submit a request to this particular loopback IP address, the actual datagram will not be sent out. Instead, it will look back to the local machine and contact the local MySQL server. Colon 1 is just the loopback address for IP version 6. You may also see localhost in MySQL. That has a special meaning. It means the connection will be constructed using lambda pies or Unix socket, and therefore percentage does not include localhost. If you have percentage and you would like to use lambda pies and Unix socket to connect to MySQL server, you still need to create localhost host. And therefore, in most scenarios, you may need to create 2 different accounts for the same user. One of them is localhost, and the other one is either percentage or the loopback 127 address. So, for example, you can see that root has 3 accounts, and the user account you have 2. Thank you. Bye-bye.